Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. In this video, I'm gonna share with you 4 different overnight oats recipe. They are so easy to make as well as they are healthy for you. All you need to do is mix few ingredients together, keep it in the refrigerator, and next morning your breakfast is ready. After seeing this recipe, I'm sure you guys will not have an excuse not to have the breakfast. So here I have for you is one of the very basic overnight oat. Also, I do have the tropical overnight oat recipe. This is one of my favorite ones. And the next here I have is the strawberry lemonade. Again, this is so refreshing. And the new recipe that I came up with, this is the golden milk overnight oat. Golden milk nowadays is so popular, so I thought why not combine into this overnight oats. I did made it few times before just to get the perfect recipe for this, so do try it guys. I love it, especially for the winter time. This is so good. So let's start with the recipe now. Very first recipe I'm sharing here, that is the basic overnight oats. So for that, here I have half a cup oats. This one is the Quaker brand. The reason I like this one is, as you can see, the oats are thicker. That means once it's soaked overnight, they will not be soggy at all. And here I have 1 cup almond milk. Now again, you can use any kind of milk that you like. You can use soya milk, cashew milk, coconut milk, regular milk, any kind of milk that you like. What is all yours? Here I have almond milk, that is the vanilla flavor, unsweetened one, so that's what I like. And I'm also using the chia seed. Now I have about less than a half a tablespoon chia seeds here. Also, to flavor it, I'm gonna add some cinnamon powder as well as some Himalayan salt and the honey, and that's about it. That is the basic overnight oats. And then next morning you can just top it with any kind of fruits that you like. So first of all, let's go ahead and mix all this. You just want pinch of salt, not more than that. Also pinch of cinnamon powder. The reason I'm adding cinnamon powder, if you don't like it, that's fine. You can always add just a little bit of vanilla essence in there. That tastes really good. My milk is already flavored with the vanilla, so I don't need to add that. And the chia seeds. So after mixing it properly, I'm gonna take it out in this cup. So basically this measurement make the 2 serving, and I'm gonna keep it in the refrigerator for overnight. I'm making, that is the strawberry lemonade overnight oats. So for that, first of all, I'm gonna take about half a cup strawberry. These are chopped. Into that, I'm gonna add just a little bit of lemon juice. I'm gonna go ahead and mush it. To sweeten things up, I'm gonna add honey. Next, I'm gonna add half a cup Greek yogurt. You can use plain yogurt also. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon chia seeds. And next I'm gonna add half a cup oats. recipe which I'm gonna share with you, that is called golden milk overnight oats. Golden milk is on trend right now, so I thought why not include that into overnight oats. So for that, first ingredients, of course we cannot make this recipe without it, and that is the turmeric. So I have about half a teaspoon of turmeric here, as well as half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Also just a little bit of grated ginger. I do have half a cup yogurt. This is the Greek yogurt. You can use any kind of yogurt that you like. Also half a cup almond milk, half a cup rolled oats, just a little bit. We need black pepper to sweet everything up. We need honey, and that's about it. So I'm basically just gonna go ahead and mix everything up. What I'm making here, it is tropical overnight oats. So for that, first of all, I have about half a cup overnight oats, half a cup mango. If you don't have a mango, you can always use pineapple, shredded coconut, also about half a cup Greek yogurt, half a cup almond milk. Also, I'm gonna add about a tablespoon chia seeds and honey. All 4 overnight oats are ready to go in the refrigerator. Tomorrow morning I will see you guys and show you exactly how I garnish them. So the first one we have here is the basic oatmeal. You can garnish this however you like it. I'm gonna garnish this one with some blueberries as well as some chopped walnut. So there you go, our basic oatmeal is all done. So the next one we have here is the strawberry lemonade, and this one I'm gonna garnish with the more strawberry and some toasted almond and some granolas. So here our strawberry lemonade is all done. So the next one we have here is the golden milk oats. In this one, I'm just gonna garnish with some almond, and that's about it. So here our golden milk oatmeal is all done. So this one is the tropical oats. I'm gonna garnish this one with more mango on top, some shredded coconut. I'm gonna drizzle a little bit honey on top. So there you go, the tropical oatmeal is all done. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen, all our 4 overnight oats are ready to be enjoyed. As you saw, it doesn't take long to make it, so next time you won't have an excuse not to have the breakfast. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Till then, bye.